High above the bustling city of Athens, on the rocky Acropolis, lived Athena, a small but intelligent owl. She was the guardian of this sacred place, home to the majestic Parthenon. The Parthenon, dedicated to the goddess Athena, was a symbol of wisdom and peace. Gentle breezes carried whispers of philosophy through its tall columns. But one day, a strange, discordant sound called the echo of chaos filled the air, causing arguments among the animals. The elegant caryatids began to sag and tremble under the weight of the negativity, their faces filled with worry. Athena knew she had to act quickly to save her home and restore peace to the Acropolis. Flying among the ancient columns, Athena spotted a mischievous satyr hiding behind a broken statue. The satyr held a magical pan flute, the source of the echo of chaos. To stop the discord, Athena had to find the flute and replace it with an instrument of harmony. But to find the hidden flute, she had to solve 3 riddles inspired by the Greek myths carved on the Parthenon's frieze. The first riddle spoke of a hero who tamed wild horses with golden bridles. Thoughtful, it is the tale of the mighty Heracles, who captured the horses of Diomedes. With her answer, a small door in the stone opened, revealing the next riddle. The second riddle was about a clever woman who wove a tapestry so fine it told a story of gods and mortals. Athena smiled, remembering the myth of Arachne, the weaver who challenged the goddess Athena herself. She whispered her answer to the quiet air. The answer is Arachne's tale of weaving and wisdom. Once again, the stone door shifted to reveal the last riddle. The third and final riddle told of a clever king who solved the mystery of the labyrinth with a ball of thread. Athena thought about the brave prince Theseus and how he used the thread from Ariadne to find his way. Theseus is the answer, she hooted softly. With all 3 riddles solved, Athena flew swiftly into a hidden chamber beneath the Parthenon's floor. She took the flute gently in her claws and replaced it with a beautiful lyre, an instrument known for its soft, harmonious melodies. The lyre's strings shimmered in the sunlight as Athena strummed a gentle tune. Suddenly, the echo of chaos faded away, replaced by a peaceful melody that wrapped around the Acropolis like a warm blanket. The caryatids straightened up, their carved faces smiling once again. The animals stopped their arguing and listened, enchanted by the music of harmony. Athena felt proud and happy. She had protected her home and reminded everyone of the timeless wisdom held within the walls of the Acropolis. From that day forward, the breezes carried whispers through the Parthenon's columns, sounding like a song of peace.